this is what happens when you don't zip up your pocket.
What's up, guys? My name is Vanessa.
I'm Alvaro.
And we host a Karting Coffee every second Saturday of the month. All makes and models welcome. I personally drive a Mazda Speed 3.
And I'm in a BMW M2.
So anybody's welcome. We just ask that you respect the lot, have fun, just enjoy the people who come.
We meet up for coffee at 9 a.m. Around 9:45, we cruise on over here to K1 in Ontario, and we get some races in. It's just good, safe fun.
It's a good time.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so just got my MST wheels. First things first, I'm gonna adjust the preload and adjust the tightness on the spring, because the spring is way too tight and the drive is super rough. So hopefully just gonna loosen that up a little bit, tighten up the preload, and then everything should come out perfect.
Yes! Okay, so my brother just told me that my wheels came in. I bought Rotas like 2 weeks ago, longest wait ever. I haven't seen them, I'm freaking excited. I'm just ready to freaking get rid of those snowflake rims. If you guys don't know me, I have a Focus ST, so the stock rims are disgusting. I just wanna switch them out already. So let's go check it out. Dude, let me see them right now.
There's deadass only two.
Nah, dude.
They're plastic wheels.
Yeah,
they're super light too.
No, wait, that's scary because I bought a set. They're supposed to be 4. Is it even mine?
It says your name on it.
Oh my god. Suspense. Oh my god. Suspense. Suspense. Oh my god.
Damn, man.
They're so nice.
Damn, you just need the other two.
Oh my god. I am now a Rota girl. Rota girl.
Nah, you're the ugly fool compared to those.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Hey.
These are sick. I like these. These are very nice. How much? I buy them off you. Just kidding.
1,000. Okay guys, bad news. The wheels came, but there's only 2, which is weird because I bought 4. So I don't know where the other 2 are. I hope they're not lost somewhere. I'm gonna have to call the people that provided me these wheels, and hopefully I get a hold of these wheels because they aren't cheap. They're really not. I hope I find them soon.
So I'm gonna be running some MSTs, Suzuka 17 by 9.5 with 20 offset. The wheel that I'm running is Land Golden wheels, 215 45 by 17. And thanks to Omo for hooking me up with these wheels.
So while we do this for Rob's setting up the machine right now for printing, is we've got to finish this quickly because Rob and I are going to go fencing tonight. If you guys haven't been watching, I used to fence in college competitively 12 years ago. So now fast forward today, I'm getting back into it and Rob's going to learn. So I'm pretty excited about this. But just to let you guys know, I'll be whooping Rob's ass. If you guys want to see videos on it, like some extra content, let me know and maybe we'll bring you guys along to some fencing tournaments. All right guys, let me show you this. These are Rob's, his are small. These are mine are big. So Rob's, Rob's gonna get these. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be serious. But basically what happened was we couldn't get these in. I couldn't get a socket into it because it's too shallow here. So these are for my GTR, and Rob can have these if he sells me his soul. And we'll get these on and hopefully get on the road today. Robbie D, you have big ones now.
Oh yeah.
And they're from his GTR. So that means instantly, this is now a Nismo. This now has 1,000 horsepower and it's bad.
have an RIP Karting shirt. It's actually RIP iPhone. Dumbass me wore joggers with zippers on purpose so I can slip my phone in my pocket and then zip it up, but I didn't do it. This is what happens when you don't zip up your pocket. So I guess we're making a trip to the iPhone store. Wow, someone just crashed. Wanna see what being fast gets you? Wanna see? Oh!
What happened?
I was just too fast. I was following Evan's line.
Damn.
My life was like G-forces, bye! So I'm gonna go order a new phone today.
It's out of your pocket?
Yeah, I'm my dumbass. Like, come on, man. Like,
you got a zipper.
I've left my flyo bin. Rob and John, they're like siblings, but they're like homies, but they're like good coworkers. They can like bicker about something, but boom, it snaps back to like the homie mode. The dynamic between them is cool because it's like it's very easy and very comfortable. And from what I understand, like they've always had each other's back, even back in the day when we had like other people working with us. But they're a really good team. It's kind of, it reminds me of like some of my old friends when we used to work together. Like I used to do a lot of catering when I was younger, and if I picked up like a plate, my homie would know how to pick up a knife and fork and spoon, right? So them two is like the same thing. One guy would do something and the other guy knew exactly what to do. There's no communication needed. But they're funny guys, man. They bag on each other all day. They make fun of each other, but in the end, they can hang out and just talk. What's up, guys? This is Claudia, RC girl.
Hey guys!
You guys already know her. She has like a ton of followers on Instagram. We traveled NASCAR together. You guys have seen it in my stories. But Claudia will be more involved with us this year with video.
Yes,
She's
definitely.
got a supercharged
Silverado.
Go.
RST designed by Chick Foos.
Okay.
You know?
She drag races.
Yes.
She wrenches. So you can come to our place and work on some stuff with us.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, maybe you can teach us how to work on cars.
Maybe I could like work on the GTR and take it for a spin.
Maybe not the GTR. Everything else. We have a Civic you can do.
Oh, you know what? That's good. That's a good start. We can
You
start
work on my
somewhere.
truck.
Oh,
Yeah,
awesome.
but it's a Dodge. It's a Ram.
Oh, I can't do that. Sorry.
Alright, so working on Rob's car was a bit of a mission. Some of the bolts he was able to get out. Mike like put his magic hands on one of them because it was starting to strip. He got it out anyways. We teamed up on the driver's side rear. Both of the bolts stripped. So one of them was completely rounded out and one of them was almost there. So Mike picked up an extractor. We sent it with the hammer and then we got it out. Thank God, because now Rob can go all the way low. Super slammed, scrape everywhere. He has no bumper, so he can't send it and break his bumper, but he has an exhaust he could tear a hole in, an oil pan to like hit on a dip or something. I don't know, but you got this, Rob. Slammed life.
All right, guys, that is it for episode 4. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think about my new wheels and how it's gonna look in my car. Make sure to use Primal Garage, hashtag Primal Garage, so then that way we can see your guys' car adventures, and maybe we might feature them or put them at the end of our episodes. But we'll see you guys. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I got second place, guys. I spun out once. I was trying to avoid killing somebody. That's my excuse, but I did get second place. Hopefully I do better this time. Round 2.
7? Lucky number 7.